welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you guys back again with another video. Anyway, so today we're gonna talk about tallow and lard. If you guys don't know what that is, tallow is beef fat and lard is pig fat. So most common store-bought soap, like the popular name brand soap such as Dove, Dial, Irish Spring, what else? Those are the most common ones that I know that I have used before in the past, like Dove, Irish Spring, and Dial. Those and many other ones that I'm not able to name today, those use these two ingredients. The most common used one is tallow. Lard is not commonly used, although it's massively produced, it's not commonly used. But tallow is commonly used because it gives the soap a really nice leather, like the bubbles in the soap, and it also gives it this nice hardness to it, and it cures very quickly and makes it like it gives it this nice hard to it, hardness to it, to the soap. And the leather is really nice. You can't really smell it because they use other ingredients such as synthetic fragrances. They also bleach the soaps. They also use synthetic colorants and synthetic fragrances to really disguise the fats that's in the soap with the lard and the tallow that they use. So they have to get rid of that, and they have to bring in really harsh chemicals to get rid of that. Anyways, yeah, those most commonly store-bought soaps, such as the ones that I listed, they use these ingredients because it's convenient for them. It's also cheaper. They're also thinking about the cost of the making. It makes it cheaper. You can buy it like at a very low price compared to people like me who make vegan plant-based soap that uses olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter. Those things are not cheap. They're not cheap at all. So big companies like Dove, they don't want to use all those nice ingredients. It's gonna hike up their price. Like the price is gonna go over the roof. So they don't use those ingredients. For one, they're expensive, and the second reason is it takes forever for the soap to actually harden, to have that nice harden. Even if it cures, it still has like a little softness to it because you use plant-based ingredients instead of using the lard or the tallow to make the soap, like to give it a nice hardness to it so it lasts longer. Handmade soaps don't last long. The longest they could go is like a year or a year and a half, but other than that, you can't really have a handmade soap last like 2, 3, 5 years. That's the other thing. Store-bought soaps, like the ones that uses lard and tallow or pig's fat and beef fats, they last very long. Like they could literally last like 10 years and it will still look really good. But just because it lasts long doesn't mean it's good for your skin. Like just imagine putting those fats on your body to clean yourself. You using pig's fat to clean yourself. Doesn't make sense to use beef and like pig's fat to clean. Just imagine putting all that junk on your skin and you think you're clean. No, you're not clean. Choose a clean, plant-based vegan soaps. We use zero animal substance, zero animal, and no animal harmed. Okay, we gotta care about animals. Although you eat a chicken sometimes, doesn't mean you apply the fats on your skin. But anyways, yeah, it's better for your skin. It also helps balance your skin's pH. The normal pH level for your skin is 5.5, I believe, And you know, if you take care of your skin, you know, you drink a lot of water, you eat healthy, you exercise, you know, you don't apply junk on your skin. Like I just mentioned, those ingredients, you don't apply them on your skin, you know, and any other harsh chemicals, you're good, you know. You won't have like breakout problems, you won't have odor issues, you won't have a lot of those issues. A lot of those skin issues and skin problems are caused by your skin's pH being terrible, you know. And it took me a while to actually realize this, because I was one of those people who used Dial or Dove in my shower, and also didn't really eat healthy and apply whatever moisturizer that was cheaper on my skin, and didn't really care about the ingredients that's listed. And when you take one of the product that's in your home, read the ingredients, and just, you know, think about the ingredients. Like most of them you won't even pronounce them, and a lot of them you won't even know exactly what they are, and then you look them up and it's like, whoa, that's what I'm putting on my skin? Like, no way, you know. Read the ingredients, make sure you're taking care of this. This is what it means to treat your skin. It doesn't mean, you know, like put whatever on your skin, you know, and think that your moisturizer clean. It also means like knowing exactly what's going on your skin, like reading the ingredients, making sure that you're really giving your skin the best possible care that you can give to your skin. So our main mission at VoyageFlower, and when I say our main mission, I mean my main mission. My main mission for VoyageFlower is to provide better ingredients in our soaps, such as cutting out animal products. We use zero animal products in our skincare products. We also have oils and butters, body butters, and soaps, of course, but our main focus is handmade soaps. And we don't do any liquid body wash, because we don't want all that plastic waste. Imagine how many plastic bottles are just floating around right now. The reason why we don't have liquid soaps is because we don't want to add to the plastic waste, you know. We're trying to eliminate the use of plastic. The only thing we use on our handmade bar soap is we wrap it in a paper, and that paper is recyclable, and it's also biodegradable. It decomposes. So that's the only reason why we use that. So we want to be aware of our environment and take care of our environment, you know. We don't want to create products that's gonna, you know, pollute the earth. I'm being extreme in using the word pollute, but you know, we don't want to ruin our environment. We want to take care of our environment, which is why we use a recyclable paper. I know some plastics are recyclable, but no, we want to eliminate that, period. So if we can actually send it to you without the ingredient, like you could just read the ingredients online and we just send you the bar, that would be perfect. But we have to use recyclable paper that's biodegradable, that decomposes. So you can read the list of the ingredients, you can have the list of ingredients. But yeah, that's the main reason why we don't make liquid soap, because if you do make liquid soap, you won't really find like a container that's like, I mean, you'll find a container that's plastic and recyclable, but we don't want it to be plastic, you know. So that's another reason why we don't have liquid soaps. Another reason why we don't have liquid body washes or hand washes is because you have to add in more harsh chemicals to keep it liquid, you know. It doesn't just stay liquid like that for no reason. Like there's added harsh chemicals to keep that liquid soap liquid, so it doesn't harden up. Also, you have to add other ingredients to preserve it. So it's just a whole bunch of other chemical ingredients, and we're trying to eliminate that. We don't want extra ingredients. You don't need all that extra ingredients. You don't need all those extra ingredients. You know, the simpler the better. You know, these ingredients that we use, they're very simple, and they're they're very effective. You get your skin cleaned, you maintain your healthy pH, skin's pH, which is great. Okay, I also want to address this. A lot of people message me in regards to like, oh, I have acne, or like, you know, I have some dark spots in certain areas, and it's like, okay, you have those skin issues, but really I can't just give you a soap. I don't want to sell my soap as like, okay, this soap is gonna help you get rid of these dark spots. Some soap do, some soaps that I make do help in like clearing up dark spots, but that's not a claim that I'm gonna make. Like, I'm not gonna give you a soap and like, oh, this soap is gonna get rid of this. No, some of the skin issues they're having, they start with your, you know, your pH, your skin's pH. Are you eating healthy? You know, are you taking care of your skin? As in, are you reading the ingredients, and are you aware of the, like in your skincare, some of your skincare products, are you aware of the ingredients that's in it that could be affecting your skin, which is causing the issues, you know? So the first thing I would like to advise you on that is just read what's what's listed in the ingredients and see how it affects your skin, because some things may irritate your skin, you know, and you think it's something else. Really, it's that ingredient that's listed on your, I don't know, moisturizer, deodorant, or other things, you know. But anyways, I'm just going overboard. The main point of this video was to let you know, to help you become more aware of what you're putting on your skin. Read the ingredients that's listed on your soap. Look them up, see what they are. You know, some companies use like big fancy word to really just describe, like tallow or lard is really just pig and beef fat, but they're not gonna write that because it doesn't sound appealing and it doesn't sound attractive to customers who are reading it. They don't want to read it and be like, oh shoot, this is pig, they use pig's fat or they use beef fat to make this soap. Like, no, I'm not gonna buy it. You know, they don't want you to think like that, so they'll make it sound appealing so you can buy it. But really, read it, look it up, look up exactly what it is and cut it out. You know, you don't need all that extra stuff. So yeah, that's the main point of our soaps, is to keep it simple as possible with effective ingredients that's beneficial to your skin, and also that helps maintain your normal skin's pH level. That's the main point of our soaps. They're vegan, plant-based, no harsh chemical. We don't use any synthetic colorants or synthetic fragrances. We use essential oils, and essential oils are really good for like, essential oils are aromatherapy, so they give you a sense of like stress relief, or if you're having a hard time sleeping, like the smell of it will relax you and all that stuff. So essential oil, basically what the difference, I did a video on the difference between essential oil and synthetic fragrances, other fragrances, lab-made fragrances. So essential oils is basically the essence of the plant. Like, they go through this process, distillation process, where they steam the plant in water, and they take the essence of the plant and contain it in a bottle. Like the smell of the plant, the oil that comes out of the plant, they bottle it and they sell it to you, which is the main reason why it's extremely expensive. Like, you'll get a little bottle like this for like $30, not compared to synthetic fragrances that's made in a lab. That's like a huge bottle, like this huge for like $10. You see the difference? This is why like name brand companies don't like to use essential oils, because it's also expensive. This is another reason why handmade soaps are extremely expensive. You could get like a box of 10 soaps of like Dove or Irish Spring for like $6, compared to getting one bar of handmade soap, a really good handmade soap like ours, that's like $10 or $8, you know. Although it's expensive, the ingredients are beneficial to your skin. But anyways, and we also use natural colorants. That just means like most of our soaps have like clay. We use French pink clay and French green clay, and the other ones are just like natural colors of whatever ingredients we're using. You know, you can use clays. You also have to be careful on the clay because some clays are lab made. But anyways, we use clays, and we also use you can get like natural colors of the plant. Let's say you want to make a green tea soap, you know, you grind up the green tea, you get the color and you get the benefit of the green tea. So that's the main reason why our handmade soaps are expensive, because they're also expensive to make. So yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you feel that it was helpful in any way, please give it a like and comment below what your thoughts are, what kind of soap you use, and if you have any questions in regards to the ingredients in the soap that you use, or if you have any questions in regard to any of our soaps, please go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what kind of soap do you use in your home down below in the comments. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. It's your way of helping my business and also helping me provide more content like this. Consider subscribing so you can continue to get more videos like this. I hope this video was informative, and I hope you learned a few things, and I also hope that you take your skin's health into consideration and actually look into what's going on your skin and what you're feeding your skin. I'll be off for this video. I hope you enjoy it. I'll be bringing in another soap making video soon, so stay tuned for that, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. I'll see you again in my next video. Amahoro.